Welcome to my bubble, where we do a little bit of adulting, a little bit of healing, and a little bit of creating. You can tell by the title. You know what's popping off by the title. You know what's popping off by the thumbnail. We are adulting like we never have before. Welcome to my crib. I haven't saged yet, haven't done anything. That's why I'm showing y'all right now. Sorry, not to say it like this, but so that I can flush y'all out and flush out all the, previous energy. Gotta go. But y'all wanna see my crib? Look at my crib. So it's the front door. I'm not gonna show y'all the locks, obviously, crazy. This one, I assume that's for a light outside. Front door, peephole that I can reach because I'm tiny. Hello. Let's work from here. Like I said, front door. Look at my socks. Take your shoes off, hoes. There's literally outlets everywhere, right? So this is my living room. Fireplace. I don't get why Texas has fireplaces. It's literally hot all the time, but whatever, I guess. So this is the living room. I have literally no idea how I'm gonna set anything up. I don't know which way I want the couch to face. I don't know if I want my desk over here, if I want my desk over there. I have no idea. I don't know what's gonna go up there. Off rip, I was gonna put the TV there, but it depends on the couch and 15 other things. I have these shelves. This leads out to what? My balcony, babe. Let's come this way. Look at my balcony. That's the storage, obviously. So this is the door to the patio from the living room. That's from my bedroom, but we'll get there, we'll get there. Turn around. That's the door, front door. Back at the front door, right? To your right is my kitchen. Look at their little, I was just filming. Look at the little kit it left me. Simmer down and just roll with it. Facts. They gave me a little kit. I haven't even looked at in here yet. Come on now. Period. Too bad Tide makes me itchy. Right? Keys, keys, keys. Here's my kitchen, full view. I just filmed the end of the moving vlog. So right, you come in my kitchen, right? There's this tiny, what is this tiny door, you may ask? It's my tiny pantry, but it's okay because if my arm can reach in here, that's all that matters, period. All right, close that back. Temperature. Light for the kitchen. From this way, right? Look at the cabinets. Look at the cabinets. This drawer a little janky, but it's all right though. We gonna make it work. We're just gonna be real careful. That's gonna be the junk drawer. All right, cabinet space. Look at her. Right. Electric stove. Not my favorite, but it's fine. Whatever. I had one in college. I can make it work again. Oven, microwave. We love the stainless steel appliances. High cabinets that I can reach. Love it. More cabinets, more cabinets, cabinets everywhere. No idea what I'm gonna put up here because I can only reach this door and just barely. So I don't know. Here's my fridge. Look at my fridge. Oh my goodness, I have my own fridge. And my freezer with a what? An ice maker. Absolutely. Next to the fridge, we have this little corner about to be my favorite, okay? Food, laundry, hello, dishwasher. I can eat, I can have clothes, and I can wash things to continuously eat. What? No more washing by hand? Cannot wait. All right, we come in here. We open these doors. What do we have? washer. Look at them with more little stuff. Thanks so much. Shelving. Turn this way. Dryer. Love to see it. More shelving. Light switch in here. Light in here also. Turn that light off. We pay bills. You hear this beeping? I cannot with the beeping. Right? So we were fridge. Not the marks already. Okay. Fridge, laundry. Turn this way. What's it called? Dishwasher. Lots of shelf space. More cabinet space. There's literally outlets absolutely everywhere. Garbage disposal. Love it. Never had one. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. My sink. Look at her. She's nice and deep. And then the water with the Juno. And then it looks out back into the living room. There's literally outlets everywhere. There's regular outlets. There's outlets with USBs. I love it. Right? So that's the kitchen. Again, turn the light off. We pay bills. So that's the kitchen. The living room. Right? Then down this little hallway, you see it. We gotta save the best for last, obviously. Come down this little hallway. This is my motherfucking bathroom, babe. Put the light on. Bang. Right? Oh, I gotta take my new apartment picture. This is my bathroom. More cabinets. This one doesn't open. I never understand why places have things that don't open, but whatever. Sink, water, great. Mirror, a medicine cabinet. This is actually gonna be great for like if I wanna, for when I do my wig, low-key, I can see the back of my head. That's actually amazing. Period. Right, more cabinet space. Who knows what'll go in there? Shower, tub, all those good things. The tub looks relatively deep. I don't know if it's wet, so I don't want to stick my foot in there, but I was gonna go, you know. It goes like up to my knee, I think, if I, you know, put my foot flat. Okay, that's the bathroom. Hardwood floors. She told me it was gonna be hardwood floors all throughout, I'm pretty sure, but I mean, it's fine. It's not that deep. Then, okay, living room, kitchen. Don't mind my Wi-Fi. It was already here, period, okay? Right, little hallway, bathroom. Then we come this way. You see it. You see it. Flip the switch. Look, I cannot stand that it's yellow light, but whatever. Look at my motherfucking bedroom, baby. I'm standing at the door. That's my suitcase, all the way over there. That was my check bag. I left it over there so you could see like perspective. Cause what? Look at my room. I love it. Another door to the patio. Juno. Gonna turn this way so you guys really don't, you know, y'all don't know where I live at. With the storage, I checked, that's already unlocked, period. Yes, oh, and my closet. I have to show you my closet. I don't love the doors to the closet, you know, but I mean, as a starting place, you can't have everything you want, you know? Another light switch for the closet. Bang. Walk-in closet. Hello. Oh, I'm breaking shit already. I didn't break this. Y'all have proof that was there like that. All I did was go like this, but underneath, right? Shelving, baby. My dresser will probably go across right here because I don't think it'll fit on this wall. So we'll put it here. I don't know. We'll make it cute. I don't know. We'll make it cute. We'll make it cute. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. Turn this light off. We pay bills. Turn this light off. We pay bills. I don't know what this switch is for. I don't know what it does yet. We'll figure it out. I'm probably gonna put my bed this way. I have the headboard there because the TV, I have to, because the TV thing is right here. But I'm gonna have a projector in here. So I guess it doesn't all the way matter, but I'll probably put it this way anyway. Yeah. Eek. You guys wanna see the patio? I'll figure out how to show you the patio. Yeah, and then this is the patio. That's the storage. I'm standing at the corner. It's actually pretty huge. I don't know if the camera is really doing it justice, like if y'all can tell, but it's actually kind of gigantic. But it's gonna be perfect. Mwah, chef's kiss. Oh, how about we don't do that, because it literally, what was the point, you know? This is the entrance from the living room. And I'll give y'all a tiny, tiny peek. Looking right down at the pool, baby. Why as I was walking around looking at everything, when I came in my room to come look at the patio, there was a chocolate man standing there shirtless, walking his dog. Like, come on, welcome home. Like, period. We love it. We love to see it. I'm gonna put my suitcases in this closet right now. But yeah, that's it. I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna open my Wi-Fi, connect that, because we need that. Hold on, let me set y'all up somewhere. Hold on. So yeah, that's my place. Obviously, this is going to become a series because a lot needs to be done. A lot needs to be picked up. A lot needs to we have to turn this place into my place, you know? Starting with saging this motherfucker. So, I don't know if y'all have heard this beeping the entire fucking time, but it's actually blowing me. I'm pretty sure it's the security system, but I don't want to just be pressing buttons, you know? Because I don't want to press nothing and it be like some crazy shit start happening. So, yeah. If you made it to the end of the video and you don't know me, hi. My name's Naori. Stick around, you love it here. Duh. Embrace being a star. Subscribe. Follow my socials. I don't know where I put them. Bow. Follow my socials. I'm on Twitter every day. I've been on Snap because I haven't been on Instagram, but my birthday's coming, so I will be back on Instagram. I'm gonna charge my phone because my phone is dying. I'm gonna call everybody because I know everybody's waiting for me to call them. And yeah, I'm gonna sit and have a gratitude moment with spirit. I'm gonna sage, but primarily, I'm gonna get food, probably, hopefully. But first, I'm gonna go sit fucking still, because it has been an active couple of weeks. It's been an active week this week, period. But you'll know what I'm talking about, and you'll understand if you watch my moving vlog and if you watch my other vlogs that fill in the time gaps between the moving vlog. Basically, just browse my channel. So yeah, I've talked enough. I post every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.